Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I am going to solve the given circuit. This is a simple diode circuit, and we are going to calculate V1 and the current flowing through the diode. I just redraw the circuit. You can see this is V1. This is applied voltage V. This is R1. This is R2. And in the last, diode is connected in series with R3. There are two loops and we will apply KVL in each loop. Voltage across V1 is equal to the voltage across R2. You can calculate it in this way as well, that is VD plus VR3, that is voltage across R3. Now this is loop 1 and current flowing through this loop is I1. Similarly, this is loop 2 and I2 is the current flowing through this loop, or you can say this is ID, that is the current flowing through the diode. Apply KVL. Start with the first loop. This is minus 12 volt plus I1 R1. This is voltage across R1. Similarly, voltage across R2 is calculated as I1 minus I2 into R2. I1 minus I2 is the current flowing through R2. We get equation 1 from this loop. Similarly, apply KVL to loop 2. Start with the resistor R2. I2 minus I1 is the current flowing through the resistor R2, and voltage across is calculated by I multiplied by R. Similarly, VD is the voltage drop across diode, and in the last, I2 R3 is the voltage across the resistor R3. We get two equations from two loops. Simultaneously solving these two equations, we will get ID. Now multiply equation 2 by 4, we get equation 3, and simply add equation 3 and equation 1, and ID is equal to 0.184 milli, sorry. Now calculate V1 with the help of this. V1 is equal to VD plus VR3, and V2 can also calculate it with the help of R2 as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.